Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created these personalized spice labels. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. I wanted to create these spice labels in English and Urdu, but they were not available in the market, so I used my Cricut Joy. Cricut Joy is a smart cutting machine. It's compact in size, comes with a pen and a cutting blade. There are a variety of materials that you can use with Cricut Joy. It has a built-in Bluetooth for wireless connection to your computer, iPad or phone. You can use your own design and bring it to the Cricut app like I did. Or you can use Cricut Design Space where there are thousands of free images which you can use to create your own design easily. For this design, I'm going to use the writing function and the cutting function both. The interface is pretty easy. Once the design is ready, press go and load the material. You will see step-by-step direction on the screen. Just follow those directions and you can create your own labels. Like right now, machine is loading the material. Like I told you guys, in this design, I'm using two functions. The writing function, for that I have installed the pen. And after the writing is done, I will switch the pen with the cutter to make the desired cuts. It's very simple, easy to follow direction. Another favorite feature that I like about Cricut Joy is its compact size. You can easily carry it anywhere. Look how cute these spice labels look. I'm so happy the way they turned out. It was so easy to create. Cricut Joy was so easy to use as well. And guys, I'm not going to stop here. I'll be creating many more labels, many more organization projects around the house. This is the before of my spice cabinet and this is the after. How cute and organized it looks. Let me know in comments what do you think about this organization project and stay tuned for future projects. Thank you for watching.